Hey guys, it is Marianne from Thrive with your video today, and we're going to have a look at clarifying between a chat and a post inside Microsoft Teams. I'm going to show you exactly what each one is for and how you can stop talking in the wrong place. So from our Teams window here, now I'm working in Teams on the desktop on my Mac, but if you've got the desktop version on a PC, it will be the same. If you're on the web version, it may look slightly different. I'm going to head here. I started in the activity tab. This is the chat team. So we head to the window here and I'm in the chat section. And we've got a list of chats here and I've got some favorites. So you can have a one-to-one chat with an individual person. You can have a group chat with multiple people. And in here you can edit, you can work with emojis and reactions. So if I was doing this chat, right. Can in here when I'm typing, this message is only going to me in my other account. So that's the only person who will see it. I can @ this person. So if you've got several people in your group chat, you can @ an individual. I can add an emoji. So these are my emojis. I can add a GIF. We can add some stickers. It's all in here and I can search. So we can have a look at the GIFs. We can have something nice. We can search for hello. My internet will be a little bit slow. Apologies. There we go. A Cookie Monster there. I can pop my emoji in here. I can edit this message and use some of my text formatting. I can pop quotes and links in as well. And I can put tables and a few other things in as well. So this is all a private chat. I'll send that one off. This is an individual chat and everyone here can like and react to it here. So a chat is for your quick conversations. It's private and informal. Questions, follow-ups. Think of it as a way to use those quick, got a sec, fast check-in, chasing something up, touching base. That's what you're doing inside a chat space. It's an alternative to having your instant messages appearing in Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp or as a text message. It's all happening here instead. By comparison, when we go to our channel posts, these sit inside our Teams tab and it will be based on all of the teams that we have access to. I've got an example here with Team Thrive. I've got one here that's a general chat. And this post section becomes, I can put a new post in here. So this section is where we can start a new conversation, which is this one here. We can reply, which puts things into a threaded conversation underneath that topic and helps to group things, as opposed to in a chat where you're replying backwards and forwards and it will copy the message in. And everyone in a team will see the post. So a team might be an entire department, a project group, a committee, the board, whatever group of people are coming together. And they can be people from both inside and outside your organization. So they can be members of the organization plus guests. So it's really important that you're aware that posts belong to a channel. So you can see that this is a channel, and each channel, even though I have 2 channels here, I have different post tabs available. So it allows me to compartmentalize this commentary or discussion to a specific topic as opposed to a chat where it belongs to a specific person or group of people. And this is where you would share things like updates, announcements, files, or you can start those team-wide or group-wide conversations so that everyone can brainstorm and pitch in together. It's public to the team. It's really great for transparency and it helps you to keep everything in context because you can do that reply and that thread. Great for project updates, sharing files, asking for input from multiple people, or keeping track of different decisions. So, to summarize very briefly, our chat is for when it is private. You need a quick back and forth. It's not relevant to a larger project or organization, team, or group of people, and you're chasing something quite specific. By comparison, we use the post section inside Teams. If it is for the whole team, you want your replies to be threaded and grouped in a conversation style for context. You're updating a wider group of people than specific individuals, and you're creating shared context and content that is searchable by everyone who is linked to that particular department or project. If you're not sure, the question to ask yourself is, does the entire team or the entire group or the entire committee need to see this? If it's a yes, it belongs in posts. If it's a no, then it heads into the chat. So if you're using Teams, you want to make sure you're using it the right way. And using it the right way means that everything becomes smoother. It stops that, where did you message me again? Extra message that pops up in your inbox or in another program. Try choosing the right space next time. Your future self, your team, and your colleagues will thank you for making their lives easier as well. Remember that if you have liked or enjoyed this video and found it useful, to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay updated for all new content so that you can work smarter every day yourself.